Question number 40. A fractions becomes 9 by 11 when 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, but when 3 is added both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So here, what is the question given? Let the fraction be x by y. According to the equation, x plus 3 by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. Because it is given 2 is added both numerator and denominator, but when 3 is added both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So here by cross multiplying 11x in plus 11 into, or you can take 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. So 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Take it as equation 1. Again, second condition is given, x plus 3 by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. Again, do the cross multiplication. You will get one more equation, that is 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So if you solve, you will get 6x plus 5y is equal to 3. Take it as equation 2. Now, you have to take equation 1 and equation 2. So from using equation 1 and equation 2, that is equation 1 is 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Equation 2 is 6x plus 5y is equal to minus 3. If you solve, you will get x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. So you can see here 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4 into 5. 6x plus 5y is equal to minus 3 is equal to 9. You have to take these two numbers for the multiplication for the easy calculation. Here minus 45y and plus 45 will be cancelled. So you will get 1x is equal to 7. If you know the value of x, substitute in the any two equation. So you will get y is equal to 9. When you substitute x is equal to 7 in the equation, 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4, you will get the value of x is 7, the value of y is 9. So the required fraction is 7 by 9, that is x by y. So this is regarding question number 40. So this type of questions will be given in your examination for 3 marks. So these are the steps you have to follow. Question number 41. After 10 years, x will be twice as old as y. 10 years ago, the age of x was 6 times of the y. Find their present age. Again, the question is given in the sentence form. You have to write it in the equation. Then you have to solve. Then you will get the value of x and y here. So these steps you have to remember. Here from the equation, from the given, after 10 years, x will be twice as the old as y. Means you can write x plus 10 is equal to 2 into y plus 10. Then one more equation is given. The age of the x was 6 times of the y. Means x plus 10 is equal to 2y is equal to 20. You can write here. So from the equation 1, x plus 2y is equal to 10. Take it as equation 1. Then second equation, that is x minus 10 is equal to 6 into y minus 10 can be written as x minus 10 is equal to 6 into y is 6y. 6 into minus 10 is minus 60. So grouping the similar numbers here or similar quantity, x minus 6y is equal to minus 60 plus 10. So you'll get x minus 6y is equal to minus 10 as equation 2 here. So equation 2. So you'll get equation 2 here. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. By subtracting equation 2 from 1. So by subtracting equation 2 from 1. So if you subtract equation 2 from 1, you will get y as 15. Substitute in any one of the equation, you will get x is equal to 15. So this is regarding question number 41. Question number 42. So follow the same method. So take this one as homework. So follow the same method. First you write it in the form of equation, then solve 1 and 2. Then you will get the value of x. Then you will get the value of y. So take question number 42 as homework. Now let us discuss question number 43. The ratio of monthly income of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their monthly expenditure is 4:3. Each of them manages to save rupees 2000 at the end of the month, then find their monthly income. So here the ratio of the monthly expenditures of the two persons are given as 9:7 and 4:3. And also they said in the end that the savings will be rupees 2000 by each of them. We have to find the monthly income. First, here that incomes and expenditure of the person can be taken as X and Y. So income minus expenditure is nothing but saving. So if you are earning something means income and expenditure. If you minus, you will get the saving. So here 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. So both are managing 2000 rupees only to save. So here I am taking into 3 and into 4 for the balance in the equation. So if you balance, you will get 27x minus 12 is equal to 6000. 28x minus 12 is equal to 8000. So if you minus, you will get minus 1x is equal to minus 2000. So x is equal to 2000. I minus cancelling the minus in the both the side. If you cancel, you will get x is equal to 2000. Now substitute the value of x in the any one of the equation. You will get y is equal to 4000. So by this problem, I can understand the income of the first person and second person I have to calculate. I have taken the first person as x, second person as y. Now whatever the answer you got, that is x is equal to 200 and y is equal to 400. If you substitute, you will get the actual amount. So 9 into 2000 is 1800. It is of first person. Income of second person is 7 into 2000, that is 14,000. So you will get 18,000 and 14,000 of the income of first and the second person. So this type of problems are very important. So practice once again. Simply don't watch my video. Take a book and pen and follow my steps and also practice. If it is helpful, please don't like, comment and subscribe, and also comment. If you want more videos related to 10th maths or 9th maths, you can comment. Question number 44. 5 years hence, the age of A will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, A's age was 7 times that of his son. Find their present age. So here the age of the two persons are given, that is of son and his fathers. So here age of the A can be taken as X and age of the son age can be taken as Y. Here, according to the question, after 5 years means x plus y is equal to 3 into y plus 5. If you solve, you will get x minus 3y is equal to 10 as the equation 1. Then 5 years age, their ages will be we have to get. So you can write it as x minus 7y is equal to 10, 13, 30 minus 30 as equation 2. Now subtract equation 2 from 1. So you get y is equal to 10. If you substitute, you will get x is equal to 40. So I can write present age of the A is 40 years and present age of the son is 10 years. So this type of the questions are regularly asked in your examination for 3 marks. Not only in the FAS exams, also it is used in the preparatory also.